In this video, we'll be showing how to book an academic advising appointment through the Student Experience portal. First, we'll go to trentu.ca/SEP. Then we'll choose the Student tab and then Student Login. You'll use your My Trent credentials to log in. It'll look like this. If you're a Durham student, you'll choose Durham Appointment Bookings on the left-hand side. And then we'll choose the Academic and Career Advising and Resume Critiques option in the middle. If you were looking to book an appointment with an academic skills instructor or with someone from our experiential learning office, you'll choose one of those. But for now, we're just booking academic advising. Once you go in, it'll look like this. You'll see the calendar view of the availability for our advisors. If you would like to filter down to a specific academic advisor that you would like to book with, you can do so in the filtering option on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you've chosen the date and time that you would like your appointment to be, you can double-click the time slot that you would like and then click Book Appointment in the top left. From here, please be sure to fill in all of the required fields. So the first little drop down shows the appointment type, which can be either career advising or academic advising. So you'll choose which one is suitable for you. At the moment, we're doing telephone appointments, so please be sure to enter your preferred telephone number so that the advisor can reach you for your appointment. Lastly, in the large box at the bottom, you'll enter your student number as well as the reason for your appointment, so a brief description of what you would like to talk to your advisor about. When you're finished filling in all the information, you'll click Book Appointment in the bottom left and you'll receive a confirmation email for booking the appointment. If you have any difficulty in booking the appointment, you can reach the Durham admin staff by email at durham@trentu.ca and we'd be happy to assist you.